यूएसए मुशावरत के अरकान और जामिया-तुल-मदीना यूएसए ह्यूस्टन से आलमी मदनी मरकज़ फैज़ान मदीना कराची आए हुए जिम्मेदारान और तलबा-ए-किराम को मदनी चैनल, फैज़ान ऑनलाइन अकेडमी और इस्लामिक रिसर्च सेंटर समेत दीगर शोबाजात का विजिट करवाया गया, जबकि हेड ऑफ पब्लिक रिलेशंस डिपार्टमेंट ने इन्हें मुख्तलिफ शोबाजात के हवाले से बताया। इस मौके पर मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमानों ने मदनी खबरों को अपने तासुरात भी दिए।
Today we are visiting the Global Markaz, Madani Markaz of Fayzan Madinah in Karachi. It's my first time in Pakistan, my first time in Karachi. And an Islamic brother was kind enough to give us a tour around all of the facilities and all of the different departments. Allahu Akbar. I was really impressed.
I was amazed by seeing all these different apartments and all the works that Dawateislami is doing. These type of work that they're doing, the types of buildings they have, the type of equipment they have, these are not found in even big name companies or big name departments across the world. But alhamdulillah, in Pakistan, in Karachi, Dawateislami has all these gadgets, has all these equipments, and they're doing work.
Beautiful setup. Two things that stood out to me especially in every single department, mashallah, was the organization and coordination, mashallah. The system they have, everything is so well coordinated. And the second thing that really stood out to me was the checking and monitoring department they have, mashallah. Each and every single thing goes through multiple checkings through the proper Ulama-e-Kiram, Muftiyani-Kiram.
Today we saw many different departments, many different teams working on different projects, different things. One thing I really admired over here is the reason that there's success is that everyone is working in one direction in the same way. The reason the organization is working the way it is because everyone is united.
Dawateislami hai, ye Dawateislami hai. Dawateislami hai, ye Dawateislami hai. Dawateislami hai, ye Dawateislami hai.